Hey guys, this is MKC. Welcome to my BMW repair videos, at least one of them. So I'm starting with the AUC sensor. This is stand for articulate something air. Well, basically this sensor it did cost me £100 and it did give out on this car and it did stop air condition from working. So now no matter what, if I go to that Klima menu here in iDrive, no matter what I set up here, it's just blowing hot air. Warm air. So I'm gonna swap this sensor, which is located on the front left, and we will see if that fixes the problem. Well, meanwhile, I will let my diagnostic charge because it's totally discharged. But yeah, let's go see under the bonnet. And this thing goes under here. So you unclip the pollen filter like so, and mentioned sensor is right here. Okay, twist, pull out, and yeah, here is the BMW release mechanism. Okay, this one is white for some reason, but I will need two hands for this right now. And here is our new one, which is purple on inside. I don't know if that color indicates something or it's just a piece of plastic. It basically goes back in here, twist. That's it. That's the AUC sensor out. There's the part number, and I will put back the pollen filter. This is E65 730D 2005 facelift model. Okay, let's see if that did change anything. We'll start the car, and where's the AC? Here. I had the AC recharge like 2 weeks ago. And it did have a 0.70 grams when we did recharge that, so I'm not sure even if I have a leak maybe somewhere. Or maybe not, who knows. Let's give a few minutes, a few seconds I would say. It should take only. Maybe I need to delete the error from the ECU as well. You got full service on everything, include the gearbox and gearbox filter. Gearbox filter as well. And now we have an emission limit here, which is probably related to boost leak or a muff sensor. One of those. Right, I will try to turn on my diagnostic and I will try to delete the code and I will be right back. Diagnostic is on. Let's run it. I just don't know what is that is from that aircon. I don't know nothing about these cars so far. I'm just learning, so please leave a comment if you know something. Why that hiss coming from the aircon. I got a few other faults like glow plug module and some door modules and stuff like that. Nothing major though. Okay, we'll do. So the sensor was automatic recirculated air control AUC sensor. That's what I just changed. Okay, let's do quick erase. Okay, I'll turn off the car. Oh, let's try again. Okay, the code is gone. We'll drive around and we'll see. We'll let you know, guys. Well, apparently the sensor wasn't the problem. The aircon still goes warm, and I will keep searching. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment if you wanna see more videos about this E65 730D, or if you know what is the hissing sound from my aircon. Cheers.